it's the Ghost Rider out here again on Red Scorpion on a Saturday night, 10:18 in the p.m. and it's about 75 degrees. I had some rain earlier, which kind of messed up my plans for a place I wanted to go to shoot this vlog, but we decided to come over here instead. It was a little bit further south of here. Well, we'll figure we pull into this parking lot over here and shoot this vlog. You know, you can see that light there in my mirrors, and that's what this vlog is about. Not going to be about riding tonight. We're going to be in the Red Scorpion garage. I'll show you what I did, what I added. If you've been on my Instagram, you've probably seen the hint of it. Yeah, something I wanted to do from a very long time ago, inspired by none other than Chris Caliente. I know I haven't spoken about him in a very long time, but he helped unknowingly with this video, with this installation, and also Mo's motorcycle journey. He had a keen role in helping me put this together, and we'll tell you more about that in a little while. Don't tell me you can't get over here. I don't know what's going on here. But we're going to make this U-turn right here. Oh, this part is open. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to get back in the garage in a little while and show you. My battery's kind of low on the Sena. Might do a little jump off right here before we go inside. Let's stop by the pumps there where it's really lit up really nice. So we can take a little view of it. And hope when I unplug, the power doesn't go out. All right, we're back with you in a bit. All right, and there she is. That's what Red Scorpion looks like in the back now. And if I do say so myself, I think I did a pretty good job in accessorizing her. Well lit. All right, like I figured, she wigged out on me. But you might be able to see just a little bit of the turn signals from up front here. The sequential turn signals. I got the 4-ways on. But we're going to show that to you in the garage. So thanks again, even though they didn't know, but 5 years ago, Chris Caliente put a video up about the installation of this thing. And 5 months ago, Mo's Motorcycle Journey did a video on where to find the box, the accessory line for the rear lights. Because it was a chore trying to find it till I saw it in his video, and it's right where he told me. All right, so we'll tell you all about it later in the garage. For now, it's Ghost Rider and the newly accessorized Red Scorpion. We'll talk at you in a bit. Okay, I'm not going to try and reinvent the wheel. Chris Caliente already has a video on the installation of this. Here I am pulling apart wires and fit-ins to try and access wires for the turn signal and the running light and brake light. And it's actually right here. Found this box. That's for the left turn signal. That's the ground. So we're just gonna finish cutting and splicing these wires because, like Chris Caliente said, the connections that they sent just don't work. They keep coming loose. All right, so we're gonna put this back together and finish showing you the installation of this light. We'll see you in a bit.